Welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn how to draw a baby prince elephant with bird sitting on a trunk. So here are the very simple steps to draw it. We'll go for the flappy ears, crowns and the coloring part. Next we will learn how to draw an ant with the help of one circle connected with the other circles, antennas, 5 hands, and then color it with the favorite color. Here I am using multicolors. Here we will learn how to draw two pandas, one big panda and another panda which is a baby panda. You need to color it with the black color only because pandas are only two colors, black and white. In this video, we will learn how to draw a cow with the help of number 6 and 4 lines, that is legs, ears and horns, eyes and some straps on it. Here our cow is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a winged dog. Winged dog which is standing. We'll go for the outlines and here our winged dog is completed. So we can color it with the favorite colors. In this video, we will learn how to draw a mouse. So we can go for drawing a mouse with the help of 6 and here it is a complete look. In this video, we will learn how to draw a bird with the slant line and connected to. Here is the remaining body. You can color it with your favorite colors. I'm doing with blue, yellow, red and purple. In this video, we will learn how to draw a hero bunny. Hero bunny, drawing it is very easy. You can go for the long ears and a red cloak. Here it is ready. In this video, we will learn how to draw a cute little kitten with a mouse. These are the whiskers, the cute body of the cat and a mice which is standing just near to the kitten. So here it is completed. You can color it with your favorite colors. Here we will learn how to draw a unicorn. You know, unicorn are the magical animals. So here we have completed the drawing of unicorn, the horns, the feathers, legs, and you can color it with your favorite colors. I'm doing here a multicolors. In this video, we will learn how to draw a puppy with the help of a round face, ears, nose, smile little bit and the lower body and the tail, and you can color it with your favorite color. In this video, we can learn how to draw an ant eating a biscuit. Firstly, you need to go for a round face and another 2 circles, the biscuit, and it is ready. In this video, we will learn how to draw a pig which is sleeping and it have a crown on up. I am coloring with the orange pink color. You can color it with your favorite colors. Thank you for watching.